Yo, hello, it's Povikas and Revi here, and today I will show you how to make the 3D rainbow text and 2 more bonus texts. If you wonder who I am a good friend of Revi's and I am helping out with tutorials while he is in the military. If anyone wants to get way better in editing, then make sure to check out Revi's editing visuals website and watch more videos on the channel. Also, if you want to support me as well, then check out my channel, which will be linked in the description. We can now begin. First, we have to create a text, so for the sake of the tutorial, I'll call it text. The only thing I would change here is make pixels 143, and the font I use is Lemon Milk. You can check it out in website called The Font. Make it so it's in the middle. Press P, put it on 960 here and 540 here. Let's add a solid layer, so go here, press solid, pick these settings, add element, go to output, go here where it says multi-sampling and make it 32, and super sampling make it 8, and enhance multi-samp, click on it. Now go to custom layers, custom text and masks. Path layer 1, make it your text layer, so here. And let's go to the scene setup. On scene setup, go to extrude, go to presets, go to physical, and it's important that you select wireframe and put it on the text. While you're in extrusion model, go a little down where it says scale and make this 199. That's it for the 3D text. Get out of there. You can close this one out. Go to group 1, particle look, keyframe particle size and make it 0.1. Go to deform, go to bend, press enable here and enable here. Bend angle, make it somewhere 26. For bigger text, make it a little lower. And here you can make it, for smaller text, you can make it like 40, but for bigger text, I would recommend around 30 or even smaller. Now go to multi-object, enable mul, keyframe all of these. Here you're going to want to make Y rotation 31, Z rotation 2, and this one minus 71. Now let's add deep glow below our element, but still on black solid layer. Let's make deep glow 2.9 as pseudo color. Keyframe the frequency. Now add as edge detect. Put it on top of pseudo color. Leave the settings as they are, but you can make this a little like less than 538. Now go to the ending of the clip. Press U. Make this one 12.1. This one minus 30, this one 0, this one 0, and this one 0. And as pseudo color, 5.2. Go back here, add BTT Lights on top of deep glow. Keyframe light center, make it 1078, this one 766. And the direction 48.6. Go back to the start and make light center 1132. This one 280. Keyframe everything. Press F9. Also go to your BTT Light sweep. Press F9 on these two while selecting. Now let's do the graphs. Go to the first keyframe that we have from the particle size. Press on the graph editor and make the graph look something like this, but I like it kind of here. Okay, go to the second keyframe, go back to graph editor, this one down and the other one a little up. Go to the third keyframe, make like this tiny wave. Go to the fourth keyframe, go to graph editor, pull this one right here, this one right here, make these close to each other around this height. Alright, and the last thing is to press on this button and we have our rainbow 3D text. And now for the bonus texts. To make these texts, you have to have a TV glitch overlay pack from Revi's editing visuals website, which will be linked in the description. Let's now add adjustment layer, and I will use TV glitch effect 6. Put it on top of the adjustment layer. Let's see how it looks. That's all you need to do for this to work. Just add Revi's TV glitch effect 6. This is what you will get from Revi's TV glitch pack. And for the last one, we can delete the adjustment layer and add a new one. We're going to add TV glitch effect 4 from the pack. You could keep it like this if you want. Personally think you should lower the glow just a little bit. Go back to your black solid layer, go to exposure and make it around 1.5. Now you have another beautiful looking text. Revi's TV Glitch Pack has even more crazy looking presets and some lovely overlays, so make sure to check it out if you want it. I hope that this video was helpful. Remember that once you have made the 3D rainbow text, you can add other effects or overlays to make it look even cooler. Alright, it was fun, have a productive day, see ya.